Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. My apologies for coming in I'm a bit late. My apologies. But then I'm here. I hope Machomabwe know this is Big Brother. Sound check. This is Big Brother. Before the Big Brother starts articulating issues, timvere ngati sound imveka. Timvere ngati sound imveka. Kokola po sound check. Zambo kamba my manjap. Oh, sound is good muntu one day. Laka, Mwale, Onika, Stanford Williams, Nancy Nana, shout out to you, Deodas, Kelvin Funga, sound is good. Wow, Kapi Pamela Arthur, handsome dude, thank you so much. Good evening, Veronica Piribanda. Bismarck Mwanamunga, shout out to you. Guys, it's a trap. Guys, it's a trap. There's no way. No, this is a trap, guys. There's no way, guys. Your maps. Angativa, they say my issues, ya built 10. Your maps is working with the PF, guys. Trust me. They know that my youths from Zambia, we love drama. We love, gossip. We love gist. So they are trying to use, they are paying these artists now. Kwamboticha confused so that you say, Sambo Taira and Zeru kuma important issues. There are important issues we can talk about. The high prices of meal, the high prices of fuel, the high prices of basic commodities. But attention yo semanki, my Zambians, my youths, tafakamai kuli yo maps. It's a trap. It's a trap. Me, I'm telling you the truth, guys. It's a trap. You will be seeing this the whole year. Next to be Makitu and Antinga. Next to be Makitu and Antinga. The other year, it will be Chef and Gerwa Chef Nan, Miss Kaya. Is that mandache pities associated, guys? It's a trap. It's a trap, my youths. Niko zanje bazon. Apa manje kuri online pre-registration yama ICZ. No one is even talking about it because all my youths manja when I issue your maps. It's a trap. If you understand what I'm saying, it's a trap because when I watched that interview Helen today with this boy your maps, I could even tell to say what that boy was saying was just rubbish, marabish eka. That boy couldn't even defend himself. Or if I was a judge of a court, I would find that boy guilty because there was no evidence that he came up with. He was just talking of, no, me, I could pay a house in Kawe and I could pay a house in Lusaka. So whom did you expect to pay a house? Ngati ni mkazi wako, uflandana kaskulipia rent. You wanted us to pay your rent. You are an idiot in Siawan's voice. You are an idiot. In fact, you are a fool. So you wanted someone else to be paying rent to mkazi wako, or madoda weka. We should take responsibility of it. Are you serious? And in Mafuna Bantumonga when your maps, I should put them on the hot seat, ask them serious questions. Because Uja Helen Ujam girls, she's so kind to the people that she interviews. Me, I would interview him straightforward. In Gamfuns and your maps. He was what Kubala man, it can even take you 5 seconds, ukapoa. So I was using your maps. Don't you know? Even 3 weeks ago, but no, she told you that she got pregnant in 3 weeks. That's a lie. Because ufunika waziva even in 5 minutes ungapase mkazi mimba. It doesn't take that long for you to pass mkazi mimba. So manje yo maps ise tiamonverera marabishi yako tibare pari tiambo ibara mai pari issues ya butane marabishai. Kuri my important issues that funkatakamba. This is the last time I should talk about this drama. Otherwise, the most is like me, I'll just go straight because vantu vavutika, we are supposed to concentrate on such issues, aye. My my gossip every day. Me, I can't even wake up and scroll my DM pa Facebook. My current affairs, what's happening on my newsfeed. I'm just saying, hey yo maps, my groups, hey yo maps, hey yo maps, hey yo maps, hey Mwizukanji. What the hell? Oh you poor guys, our ancestors. So say my great never wanna kulira so. Njindeve vanatirowa nishi vanatirowa because kupe vintu va sense veti machita. We just love to talk about vintu very sense. No one is here to stand out and say like, oh, my targets are just so if my issues are very sensitive, my issues that have to do with your life, yamangala as viral as you make these stupid issues. Seme Mzambique national develop. I think Zambia would have been on the level of South Africa at this time. My Zambia, we just love gossip. We don't talk about developmental issues. If I had to post something that's making sense here, like I'm a very pre-order registration, I'll only get 2 likes. 2 likes. But if I post about Yo Maps and Mwizukanji, 1,000k, guys, ala kulowani ndani. Because me, I can't even believe to say we are a Christian nation. It's a Christian nation, it's not valache. It's just for, I don't know, na Christianity had to pay this as Zambia, the way we call ourselves as a Christian nation. We are not even Christians. We are wolves in sheep's skin. We are pretenders, we are hypocrites. And even John the Baptist, you sons of a serpent, because vetima chaya concentrate vetima faka konzeru. You can't even talk about the price of millennium. You can't even start a campaign to say hashtag drop the prices of millennium. You can't even start a campaign like that one. You only start a campaign say, hey, hashtag justice for Muzo, justice for Mwizukanji. Vintu vama rubbish. Who is even interested in that rubbish? For me, I'm not even interested in that rubbish. Me, I want to talk about things that make sense, huh? Me, I want to talk about things that will bring change to the people, not even to cheva poor. Guys, mukazini wabisa mutu ine, mukazini wabisa mutu na poor. Guys, me have a lot of things to think about, guys. Me have a lot of things to think about. I don't want to be wasting time on nonsense issues, guys. Me, I've got sensitive things, I've got big things that I would want to share. But my drama, I'm from pali Yo Maps. Yo Maps ujamkazi sana mpase mimba, let him just take responsibility. Ngati Yo Maps afuna mchai divorce mkazi, well and good. I'm trying divorce ujamkazi, but Veneza Frago chele ku Yo Maps ngati it's the truth to say he wants to divorce Mwizukanji. Let him just support the child. That's all. It ends there. So he said, man, pay my man. He said, when I go to the toilet, may I go with the phone in my toilet? I go and sit pa toilet pa nina phone ni verenga go to my headline saying when I wake up in the morning at 7 a.m. New York said to Mwizukanji. Tiambo tamba cha BBC these days. When I wake up in the morning, guys, the first thing that I do, I go to the toilet. I go and like shit in the morning. When I go and shit, I'll be scrolling through my news feed, trying to check like what's happening in Zambia, because I'm far from home. I'm just reading about Mwizukanji, and now the dollar is at 22 kwacha. Dollar is at 22 kwacha. Viliche nkale. Is it because okay? Dollar kakwere zetimvera mushe because we earn money in foreign currency. We will do major projects with the money. Imomuli ku Zambia. Mzambo vutika soche. Dola ikwera mungu tamba. Nizani zo. You think that you are punishing someone? You're only punishing yourself. Then you should think about your bana wako wamelewe. Bana oro America Yo Maps we. Mwana wako wamelo javukata. After 10 years, zakangala party. Leko ticha distable vintu vapoa. Me, I don't want to listen to your nonsense again. I swear. Yo Maps usakanengesa ikakupererendeke ikakukonkeche kuchama kofika. Don't force me. That couple na go sticking. It's like uzafuna umaye utivute maye we shouldn't breathe, huh? Tideko pay mamanje sai. Iwe ndwe landlord wa oxygen. Ndwe oxygen. But Yo Maps zona. mwakula mutu kutoka Pasunda station, huh? That's why guys I observed something guys. Ngatuina oro vijama kamba ta wakazi bakumunzu kamtenga kumunzu amleta mtao na mangala hard working. That's a lie guys. Muntu wakumunzu kabwa amleta mtao na kavurika menso akaona flyover bridge akaona levi mo ama bilima ama changamuka ndipe baliri palevo ayo maps manda pa ayo maps mwana yengo wakapopanga po na femu bene ozi tenzina abantu bene ozi the general ozi the general. Those guys they had like big time fame bene ozi mezo chinja po ma Timbaland those days. We had want to vene type 2 my guys. Ayo maps oro muchi type 2 swanga ngene machona to body type 2 chikamba a microphone and was what in hit. Tezela vantu munga vene type 2. Tezela vantu vene Hamova. Tezela vantu vene Chameleon. Those guys bezo panga manyimbo chakwa tizona yezo vina Zambia. Yo maps time wachukache Pasunda station abuyana Mulusaka ma hapo yo maps ma wanu kamunga but zona. That's why so malaiti ya Mulusaka amsokoneza what moti kampeleka pa Joburg. Malaita Mulusaka yama enda msokoneza. What more? Tikampeleka wote pa Joburg. Anga sokonezeke. Tampeleka wote pa Emperor's Palace so. Angalova ne pa Godriff City. Angalova ne. Cause ine mwana mocho Fontini vama kite for denga na VCC. Who wants but at what denga na VCC? Chris Brown wanna be denga VCC. You think that you're a celebrity? What denga na VCC? You even look like Zona. So me I cannot even show. In my number, I swear, God in heaven, man. Come sate. My big artist in country man and Mandan. Nima walangiza uche slap D. Then nima walangiza uche slap D. Nima walangiza slap D. Nima walangiza uche it's a lituation. Nima walangiza okay. She slap D. Nje Zambian musician. When I'm nima walangiza artist wa Nigeria. This is Africa. These are musicians. Ninga walangiza yo maps. Vazambira pofichani pari yo maps. Chilea. Too much Chilea. Chita introduce kula artist wa Chilea. Yo maps akabamba puna na nyimbo ya mchizungu. Vene Chameleon ne PJ Benzo Yimba na manyimbo ya mchizungu. Ndawa yo maps wakainaka EOR syndrome. At I'm sorry. Not I'm sorry. Bayo maps wakainaka EOR syndrome within na manyimbo. Ma even PJ Benzo Sharpland. One for the money, two for the show. Uchizungu che. Let's go PJ. When I'm gone, she chop na piamo. When I'm gone, I ain't turning back no more. Nishi chapwa na piamo. Unavera na nyimbo. Lampima che, ungasikika. Olo unazwa kalipa, munga vina kalipia. Ukambia che PJ. When I'm gone, nishi chapwa na piamo. When I'm gone, anambo kopea na style ya PJ. That's why namzondera. Akopea na style ya PJ. PJ nje namba vo shota manjima. Anambo kopea na eve. Tase. Anambo kopea na PJ. Nikamba che veni gani za na maziwa guys. So asatiba ise built-in guys. Vaupuwa leke ine omozi guys ine. Ine guys sinima ganza mushe sometimes ka sinima ganza straight ine sometimes must blame and singa sikamba chepari my issues guys nefunga pa this time mono za tawe kamba ko pari ma prices ya fuel kamba ko pari vintu vanzero guys hapa nambira chifuku shere kani ni gone na ndo gona okay na ndo gona good night